currently 6:40 on a Saturday. Speaking quietly. Currently have one broken car on the drive, awaiting a gearbox. We have Mr. Rory Bailey driving down currently 3 hours to deliver me a new gearbox with a much needed Wavetrac diff in. So yeah, I'll leave in about 30 hours for the next track day. So got new pads up front, all bled through with some fresh ATE. I've got, yeah, so I don't forget to bed in the pads, because I know what I'm like. Wish us luck. Gearbox is out. New one to go in. New gearbox in. Happy days. Morning of the track day with the gang, having breakfast after a long hot drive up. You ready for the track day, Rory? Yeah, thumbs up.
Well, viewers say, isn't this just preparing the ground for the fact that some taxes are going to have to go up in the autumn? I mean, the choice for you, Pat.
I don't know civics in terms of that.
EG or EG?
Right, I want to say EK.
Yeah, I think it's EK.
Here he comes.
He comes, he comes.
Here he comes.
This wife's truck is really good.
It's good.
was funny.
One times, 3 times, 4 times.